All right, guys, we're doing another 2018 Leaf autographed football jersey. We're getting down to the next. This is the next to last box in this 8-box case. So we've got the one tonight, and then we've got our last one 2 weeks from tonight, and then we'll move on to a different product. So got some big names in here. Last weekend pulled a Troy Aikman autographed jersey, which is pretty nice. So here is the rundown for these. Brian B's got the Browns, the Lions, and the Vikings. Eric's got the Bills and the Bears. Grant's got the Jets. Carlton with the Broncos, the Packers, the Rams, the Dolphins, the Giants, the Raiders, and the Seahawks. Keith H. with the Patriots and 49ers. Lance has got the Cowboys. Ray's got the Ravens, Steelers, and Panthers. Ronald K. with the Colts and Redskins. And then Ryan, you've got the Cardinals, the Bengals, the Jags, the Chargers, the Eagles, the Bucks, and the Titans. All right, yeah, Carlton, you grab more than just your Seahawks this time. Let's see if it pays off for you. Uh-oh. This looks like this is going to be a random. We got a Henry Winkler. Coach Klein, which is going to be, that was from, what movie was that from? Waterboy? Let's double check. Hang on. So I think it's going to be a random. Yeah, it is from the Waterboy. So it's Leaf authenticated. There is the auto right there. All right, Eric, yeah, I can put you in touch with him, man. All right, so we'll put all 32 teams in the random for this one. I don't know what that one's worth, but everybody's going to have a shot at this one. All right, so here we go. We got all 32 teams in the random. So we'll go ahead and randomize it 5 times. The team at the top after 5 is going to get the Waterboy autographed jersey. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th is going to be the Chiefs. Kansas City on that one. So definitely not like pulling a Patrick Mahomes. But still not a bad jersey. Somebody can look that up on eBay and see what that's worth. So that'll do it for the Leaf autographed football jersey break. So like I said, last one coming up 2 weeks from tonight. So it'll go live on eBay Wednesday in a 10-day auction, and then we'll break it 2 weeks from tonight.